What's going on, guys? Brandon here from Keller Williams, and I am actually here right now writing up an offer, getting ready to send it to my buyers. It's a tough market out there. There's a lot of buyers on the market, a lot of homes, but there are multiple offers on almost every single home. So you find yourself getting into a dogfight trying to get that right offer and make sure you try to get the house that you want. And it can definitely be frustrating out here. So I decided to make a video and just kind of talk about how to structure an offer and what makes a strong offer. So I know a lot of people think that, offering more money is going to automatically make your offer stronger. That isn't necessarily the truth. There's a lot of different things that go into making an offer. So you have to factor in all of those things in order to make sure that your offer is as strong as it can possibly be. So one big factor of making your offer stronger is closing costs. Are you asking the seller to pay closing costs, or are you paying them yourself? Now, a lot of sellers, almost I would dare say most sellers, don't want to pay buyers closing costs. So if you are able to pay your own closing costs and you have the money to do so, I would definitely do it, especially in this market, because that can be a make or break situation in your offer. Another factor that could make your offer stronger is if you are flexible on the closing date, or if you can offer a faster closing date. Depending on the seller's situation, sometimes you'll run into the seller bought a new home and it's contingent upon the sale of their existing home. Those closing dates need to match up, so they need a buyer to be flexible in the closing date. Other situations is the seller may need to get out of the home quickly and they want a fast closing date. So the faster that you're able to close may put you at an advantage over everybody else. The kind of loan that you have can also play into if your offer is considered strong or not. For instance, an FHA loan versus a conventional loan. Now, although this is not necessarily true in all cases, considering the higher qualifications for a conventional loan, some people look at a conventional loan as less risk as an FHA loan, just because they assume that the buyer has a higher credit score, more funds available in the bank for down payment. So they may think that a conventional loan is less risky than going with an FHA loan. This was definitely not meant to be an all-inclusive list of everything that makes your offer strong. I just wanted to give you guys a few tips and pointers, but it's definitely going to depend greatly on your individual situation. So what the buyer situation is, what the seller situation is, but this is something that your real estate agent should be able to walk you through and help you decide what the best strategy is when you're negotiating your deal. And hopefully this helped you guys a little bit. But if you have any questions on this, want to reach out for more information, feel free to reach out to me. Put my information below. But until then, I'll see you guys later, and have a good Father's Day.